In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by going into Settings and tapping on Notifications after scrolling down a tiny bit. Then hit Manage App Notifications here and tap on blue switches next to your apps from which you want to block them, or grey ones to switch them back on. You can also click on any app available on the left and manage all notifications over here. If you want to turn on or off app notifications to all of your apps at once, use this switcher next to all available at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!